If you use WeChat Pay and you have WeChat Wallet, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see 3 important security to enable in order to secure your WeChat Wallet. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are already new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your WeChat. I'm going to click on here, open up my WeChat. Then having opened up your WeChat, next thing you need to do is to click on me right here. Then click on Pay and Services. Then click on Wallet. Then click on Consumer Protection. It's going to take you right here. Then click on Security Protection. That's going to take you right here. So you have about 4 ways to secure your WeChat wallet. The very first one here is digital certificate. Click on Enable. So it's take you right here. Make payment from your device even more secure. Raise your daily limit for payment. What you need to do is to click on Enable. So at this point here, enter your ID number for proper verification and click on Verify. And that button will be enabled. So let's go back. Next one right here is Security Lock. So click on Security Lock right here and then click on here to enable it. So after click on Security Lock, click on Pattern Password Unlock. Then enter your payment password right here to confirm you are the one that are doing it. So payment password is your 6-digit number. Enter it right here, confirm the payment password, and you are done. So the button is going to be enabled. Then with that, nobody will have access to your paying service in your WeChat wallet except you with your passcode. Next one right here is balance privacy. Click on balance privacy. Right here, you can simply turn on this particular button right here. This will hide the amount you have in your WeChat wallet. Let's go back. Lastly, 1 million insurance. PICCs protect your fund. Click on here and it's going to take you right here. Click on here and fill up the detail, and your WeChat transaction is going to be secure by this particular insurance. In case you have any fraudulent activities or you have issue in transaction on WeChat Pay, this insurance here is going to guide you. So you can read detail about how you can fill up this information in their page. You can also translate this page if you are not Chinese spoken person. So it's as simple as that. So basically, these are top 4 things you need to enable in your WeChat in order to protect your WeChat wallet. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.